Welcome to our channel English with Hassane 2 pronunciation practice.
Let's move to the next group. Nay, nay, nay. The plural, nays, nays, nays. The next word, hey. Repeat after me. Hey. So we don't pronounce it high. No, it's hey, hey, hey. The last word, quay, 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 quay. Let's repeat all the four words. Nay, nays, hey, quay. Let's go to the next group. So when we have four words, the word is a verb. So it means we can use it in the present simple and in the past and in the past participle, in the present participle. Decay, 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 decay. Repeat after me. Decay, decay. The present simple with he, she, it, decays, 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 decays. The past tense of decay is decayed, decayed, decayed. And the present participle is decaying, decaying, decaying. Let's repeat all of them. Decay, decays, decayed, decaying. Let's go.
That's the end of this video. To support us, subscribe, like, comment and share.